What's up guys, JOMAC here, your freelance video editor and motion graphics designer. And for this particular episode number 4 of our freelance or work from home series, mag-uusapan natin kung paano mapadali yung pag-aaral ng video editing software. Now, I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering kung kailangan mo pa bang mag-take ng course, magbayad, kailangan ba natapos ka ng graphics or arts. Straight up guys, sasabihin ko sa inyo, wala akong kumbaga kamuhang-muhang sa mga ganyang mga bagay. But what I'm trying to do right here guys is gusto kong i-share sa inyo, ibahagi sa inyo yung mga naging learnings ko for the past few months that have enabled me to land a job as a video editor and a motion graphics designer. Today, we will be talking about the following guys. Number 1, pag-usapan natin how to familiarize yourself with the interface. Number 2, yung mga basic na operations na ginagamit. Number 3, making your own first project or first video. And lastly, pag-uusapan natin how to connect with your peers and use social media to your advantage. So without further ado, let's jump in. So guys, ang tip ko sa inyo, tip number 1 is how to familiarize yourself. Specifically kung parang ako din, talagang wala kang ka-idea kung paano gumagana yung software. I advise searching the YouTube. Piliin mo yung mga tutorials sa tipong mga 5 or 10 minutes lang showing the basic interface. Ibig sabihin, ano yung ibig sabihin ng timeline, ano yung ibig sabihin ng project panel, ano yung ibig sabihin ng effects panel, yung mga ganon. Ang reason ko for this one guys, gusto ko 5 minutes or 10 minutes lang. I want you to play that repeatedly. Siguro mga habang kumakain ka, or traffic, or stuck ka sa kung saan man. Panoorin mo yun ng panoorin until about siguro mga 5 to 10 times. Pag ganong karaming beses mo nang napanood yung video na yun, mapafamiliarize ka na doon sa mismong interface and kung ano yung ginagamit sa tutorial na yun. Again, hindi mo pa goal at this point na maintindihan ng lahat. Ang goal mo lang is makita mo kung paano gumagana yung software. Step 2 natin guys is you have to use the Learn tab. In my experience guys, it doesn't match kahit ano pang makita mong tutorial sa YouTube or sa internet. Pinakamaganda pa rin yung using the Learn tab of yung mismong Adobe or After Effects software or Premiere Pro software. Mismong gamitin mo yung Learn tab dun sa loob na yun kasi tuturuan ka nila step by step. And ang pinakamadaling way para maaral mo yung isang software guys is gamitin mo. And it's exactly what it does. As long as you use the Learn panel, makikita mo or may experience mo firsthand kung paano mo i-manipulate yung mga assets inside the software. Yung Learn tab na yon na nagtuturo kung paano yung mga basic operations, I think it has around 6 to 7 courses. Mini courses lang naman, yung mga tipong tigpa 5-10 minutes lang. Tapusin mo yun guys, araw-araw, siguro once or twice. And I'm sure after 1 week, gamay na gamay mo na yung basic operations. Next tip natin guys, tip number 3 is you have to start your own project. Ano ibig sabihin dito? First, di ba, nanood ka ng mga YouTube tutorials, familiar ka na dun sa interface. Pangalawa, na-experience mo na yung parang guided na basic operations of the software. Medyo alam mo na. Yung third is, simulan mo na using your own project. Siguro mag-download ka sa internet ng mga pwede mong gamitin na videos. Maraming stock na video and photo websites dyan. Or you can also upload your own. Then, i-edit mo siya. It doesn't matter how simple the cuts are, yung mga transitions. Or kahit nga walang transitions, tipong cut lang, tapos background music. Kung gusto mo nang wala ring audio para mas madali kang mag-edit, walang problema. You have to do that by yourself guys. Kasi iba yung guided tutorial, kumbaga may umaalalay pa sa'yo, pero iba rin yung ginagawa mo yung sariling project mo kasi dun ka magkakaroon ng mga parang may encounter mo yung mga aha moments mo, yung mga parang paano ba to? Tapos isa-search mo sa Google, yun lang, as it turns out, simple lang pala yung solution doon sa nagiging problems mo. And another benefit pa na to guys, once you're doing your own projects, mamomotivate ka kasi you're parang finally making something on your own. And hindi yung mga tipong puro tutorials na lang yung natatapos mo or yung mga na-accomplish mo na video. And ang telling nyo guys, siguro iniisip nyo pala ngayon, feeling nyo nakakatamad or parang sayang oras mo or whatever. But if you're really into this, kung gusto mo talaga itong gawin, especially as a career, and actually even for fun, I'm telling you guys, once na matapos mo yung first video mo, maa-addict kang gawin siya paulit-ulit. So, that's my tip number 3. Make your own project as simple as it is. Okay lang yan, basta gawin mo. Okay, so tip number 4, and some of you might disagree with this, pero ako honestly, mas gusto ko tong gawin is upload your finished work on social media. Now, if you're telling me na masyado nakakaya, cringe-worthy, I think maganda mag-start ka sa mga private groups lang muna, or even you can PM yung mga group members na sa mga Facebook groups natin and ask for feedback. For me, this is very very critical guys, kasi ako personally, until about siguro mga few weeks ago, or actually until now, I still have a lot of comments on my videos, especially yung ginagawa ko professionally. Hindi tong for YouTube, kasi alam naman natin rough cuts lang yung ginagawa natin dito, but the one that I make professionally, ang dami pa rin akong comments like how to focus in subject, wala yung lower thirds, etc. etc. And it trickles down into the basics guys. So of course, natuto ka na, no? Gumawa ka na ng sarili mong project. Very very important na magkaroon ng ibang fresh set of eyes to evaluate your finished videos and give you constructive feedback. And social media, I think, is one of the best ways to do that. And karugtong niyan is number 5 is join groups. Na medyo baguhan pa lang tayo sa After Effects. I started using After Effects, I think, 3rd week ng November 2019. So, sobrang ilang buwan ko pa lang siyang ginagamit. Kaya, what I did is, I joined a couple of groups of After Effects communities. And syempre, I'm trying to connect with them. In the future, for 2020, I plan to tackle, hopefully, Blender saka Python, pero for now trying to code Python konti-konti. That's why I also joined yung Python community, so it also applies to motion graphics or video editing, or kung anumang software yung inaaral mo. Make sure to join the groups kasi you will never know yung mga valuable tips and tricks, and even for meetups pumunta ka kasi sobrang marami mong matututunan. Okay, last tip natin guys, and bonus tip natin, probably the most important takeaway for this video. Kung meron ka mang kailangan gawin for everything that I mentioned dito sa video na to, ito na yun guys, is always to keep on practicing every day. Ang ibig sabihin na to, it doesn't matter kung gaano ka-simple, kung gaano ka-complicated nung kaya mong gawin. For me, mas matimbang pa rin yung kahit meron ka siguro mga 30 minutes or 1 hour na practice every day, kaysa yung isang araw, this weekend, tapos 2 weeks, 3 weeks, hindi mo gagamitin yung software. It's very, very important to create that parang habit na ginagamit mo lagi yung software, kasi magiging parang automatic na sa brain mo on how you operate yung interface ng video editing. So guys, that's it. That ends the episode for today. And hopefully, kung ikaw nanonood ka and gusto mong gawin tong career and you're confused or parang kinakabahan ka kung kaya mo bang aralin to, ang galing nyo guys. Sobrang hindi siya, I would say siguro mga out of 10, siguro mga 5 or 6. Ganun lang yung difficulty niya. So anyone na magsiset aside ng kahit siguro mga 1 hour per day, kayang-kayang matutunan itong mga software na to. And just do it for fun. Don't pressure yourself. Just be consistent lang. Wag mo muna isipin yung parang gano'ng kakomplikado yung mga bagay na mangyayari. Just have fun while doing it, especially the basics. And I'm sure dadating yung point na you will get hooked to it. Tapos magiging natural na lang yung flow moving forward. So again guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Kung hindi mo naman nagustuhan, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Check my descriptions and my social media handles. And once again, thank you for watching guys. JOMAC here and peace out.